All right, here we go, guys.
Alright guys, so we got this Jeep Wrangler. As you can see, the paint on the hood is already faded, the side, everything. So what we're gonna do is take off the side steps, the back tires, all the rubber, the plastics in the front bumper, and we're gonna Raptor burgundy here and the black on the side. And as you can see over there, we're still working on our shop. It's coming along. We're almost finished, you can say. So we just need a little bit more time, guys, and that's pretty much it. So let's get to it. All right, to take these off, you just have to open the hood, and we just have to take off these side sticks right here. As you can see, there's the screws over here on this side too. So that's pretty much it. And let's get. All right, guys, walk up over there, getting the tools to take off that plastics on that side. I'm gonna go and gather tools so I can take off the tires and the bumper. All right, so let's do it. Day two. As you can see, we're pretty much halfway done with the truck. We still need the back paint, and as you can see, the front bumper over there is pretty damaged, and there was no way for us to fix it. So we asked the customer to bring a new bumper from a junkyard or anywhere, and he brought it. So we're gonna try to figure out how to take this bumper off, and we're gonna start scuffing this bumper, and we're just gonna wrap it black, and that's it. Alright guys, this is day two. Just took off the bumper. We took off all the black spots. We took out the back bumper and everything. For tomorrow, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do all the body work, take off all the dents that it has on the hood, anywhere around the vehicle. And then next, when we're done with that, we're just gonna paint put paint thinner, clean it up, make sure there's no clear coat. And then we're just gonna paper it up and tape it up, and we're good to take Raptor. Alright guys.
What's up? What are you doing?
Well, I'm stud welding the whole hood, all the dents, because as you can see, there's pretty much a lot of dents everywhere. And we're gonna pull them out, and after that, we're gonna fill it up with body filler, and that's pretty much it. So let's get to it. Alright, so that kind of took off the dents. All what we need to do now is just fill it up with body filler, and there's not gonna be any more dents, so let's get to it. Alright guys, as you can see right here, we don't like to bash other people's work, but as you can see, they put a lot of bundle right here just to fix this small crack right here. So what I'm gonna do is put some fiberglass just to fix this permanently, and that should fix the problem. So. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done sanding the whole bundle off.
As you can see, it's just a small crack right here and right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some fiberglass mesh right here and right here, and that should just fix the problem. Alright, so we're just gonna let it dry and that's it. Alright guys, so as you can see right here, I went over a little bit more on the crack with the fiberglass mesh and it covered the whole crack, so this piece won't fall anymore and it's permanently stuck there now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start sanding.
Alright guys, so we're pretty much done with all the body work and sanding. All we need to do now is paper and tape up. So when we're done with that, we're just gonna put paint thinner and just start wrapping already. Right?
Alright guys, so we're pretty much done taping the whole truck. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean it with paint thinner. Okay guys, since we scraped it all the way to the metal, I'm gonna put some primer, so let me do it. Guys, so we let the primer dry and we sand it down, so we're gonna start Raptoring. Alright guys, so as you can see, we hang the fenders, and before we start spraying the black Raptor, I'm gonna add some adhesive promoter.
So we're pretty much done wrapping. We let it dry overnight. What we're gonna do now is just take off all the paper. So let's just take off all the paper already and see how it looks.
That thing looks brand new, man. What are y'all doing?
Nothing much. We're just putting everything back together. So we're gonna go take it for a wash and give it back to the customer.
Looking real nice. All right, guys. Looks like you're done. You did a real good job on this one. What do you got?
Right here we have a Jeep Wrangler. On this Jeep, the hood was pretty bad already. It had dents. The paint was coming off. So what we did with the dents, we used the start water we have to take off all the dents, and we made it straight. And we also did those side moldings. They were pretty burned as well. We did the side steps. This looks nice. And this up top on here, the customer wanted us to do it too, but they're on a budget. So we're just gonna wait until they're ready and help them out with that when they come back. So, I mean, the truck just looks nice. Just take a look around at it.
All right. That color looks really cool, guys. It's a really nice color. Everything fits in with the black. You guys did a real good job. The back looks awesome. Looks like a brand new Jeep.
It looks brand new. It looks really nice.
Good job, guys. The customer's gonna be really happy.
Alright guys, so a lot of people ask us where we're located and how much we're charged. We're located here in McAllen, Texas, and for this vehicle we charge $700 including labor and material. So we work things out with you guys. So if you want to know any more information, just text us down, email down below. Just let us know any information you guys need, and we'll more gladly reply back and tell you what you need to know. So alright, this is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and just like and subscribe.